In this video, I'll show you how to do a voice over a foreign movie using subtitle file. We have the movie file Ghostbusters. This movie is in English. We have French subtitle file. French subtitles I will use to create an audio soundtrack in French. To get the sound file from the subtitles, we will use the SRT speaker app. It is available for both iOS and Android and works in much the same way. The iOS app also works on a Mac, and I'll be using it in the video. So, I open SRT speaker. Import our subtitle file. We see French subtitles. I have copy one sentence in French. Go to Settings. Go to TTS Settings. Choose French voice. Daniel. Now I am copying French phrase. And will set the normal and maximum speed of speech. Well, it seems to be okay. The maximum and normal speed suits me. I go back. Set the output audio file format. Then I set double pass option and acceleration. Then go to main window to start generation audio. I select the option to save to file. Click on the start button. The subtitles are being processed. File has been generated. We copy this path. And go to Finder. To that folder. From here we copy the file to desktop. Now this audio track needs to be combined with the audio track of the original video. We open video in Avidemux and export original audio track. Then we will merge it with our sound track. Here it is. To combine these two audio tracks into one, we will use the Audacity audio editor. Open it and drag our files to it. Now use Export. As WAV menu. I close Audacity. Now you need to change the soundtrack in the movie file to the one we made. Open Avidemux again. Go to the audio menu. Change audio track to the new. Now we save modified video. This is new video. Where we have a voiceover translation into French. That's all.